Money is involved. I borrowed money. Investors are involved in the movie and they need to make their money back, collect their money back. But you're telling me now because my movie is 4 weeks old, you're giving me terrible showtime. When you know at this period I could actually make money. Because some of it just came out, so you want to put my movie at the back. Got so many messages from fans yesterday, got so many messages from my actors that went from it and lose, and they treated so unfair.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ nípa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí FATHIA Balógun bí ó ṣe sunkún síta. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ti ń lọ lọ́tùn lósì ní orí ayélujára, àwọn èèyàn sì ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ wo bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ o, ẹ wo nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. A máa fún yín láǹfààní láti wo fọ́nrán náà, a ó fún yín láǹfààní láti wò ó, ṣùgbọ́n kí a tó tẹ̀síwájú ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan nínú fọ́nrán yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ fún yín. Ẹ̀yin tèmi arábìnrin yìí tí a mọ̀ sí FATHIA Balógun ó ké gbàjarè síta ó sí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà wípé kí wọ́n wo bí wọn ò ṣe ṣóò fíìmù ohun Ẹ̀fúnlóyè. Ẹ ó mọ̀ wípé arábìnrin yìí ó ṣẹ̀ ṣe fíìmù Ẹ̀fúnlóyè The Unicorn ni, ó ṣẹ̀ ṣe fíìmù yìí jáde ni. Ó wá ń sọ wípé wọn ò fún un ní showtime. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó gbé wá sí orí ayélujára gangan nìyẹn. Ó ní wọn ò fún un ní showtime tó. Ó ní ó tún fi pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ wípé báwo ni àwọn fáǹsì yóò ṣe jáde wípé báwo ni àwọn fáǹsì yóò ṣe jáde wípé àwọn fẹ́ wo fíìmù Ẹ̀fúnlóyè The Unicorn tí wọ́n máa sọ wípé kò sí àyè. Wọ́n dẹ̀ wá ń sọ wípé fíìmù ọ̀hún wípé kò ní views, àwọn èèyàn wá wò ó láì mọ̀ wípé àwọn gangan ni ò fún wọn ní fún Ẹ̀fúnlóyè The Unicorn ní showtime tí ó yẹ kí wọ́n fún un. Ẹ̀yin tèmi kì í ṣe pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Tóyìn Abraham òun náà ti sunkún síta rí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fọ́nrán yìí.
Good day, everyone. Very nice to right here, Sarah. I've seen that welcome, and I've never done this in my entire life. But because this one involves lots of millions, that's why I'm crying out to my fans. So please, maybe if you click, they will help me. I've been showing my movie, F1 The Unicorn, since May 1st. And I've been having issues with my showtime. I don't know. Cinemas are trying to kill this movie. I don't know why. I've been complaining about my showtime since I started showing this movie. And I actually connected this cinema thing because of the layer involved in me. And this is the layer period where people will come out to watch movies. And they are giving me poor showtime. My fans are complaining that they go to the cinema and they get there, they cannot watch my movie, maybe because of the time. Or even some places, there is no showtime for me. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know why they are doing this to me. The way all movies that came out now spent a lot of money on their movies. That's the way I also spent a lot of money in this movie. Money is involved. I borrowed money. Investors are involved in the movie and they need to make their money back, collect their money back. But you're telling me now because my movie is 4 weeks old, you're giving me terrible showtime. When you know at this period I could actually make money. Because some of it just came out, so you want to put my movie at the back. Got so many messages from fans yesterday, got so many messages from my actors that went from it and lose, and they treated so unfair. They will get to the cinema, you will tell them my movie is not showing anymore. You give me a showtime of 12 noon. I don't know who goes out to watch a movie by 12 noon. Give me a showtime of 9 at night. I don't know who is going to watch a movie by 9 at night. The way you are giving this new movie good showtime, you didn't give me good showtime like that when I started showing my movie. My colleagues used to come and talk about showtime and cinemas. I used to think they were doing too much. Not until it is my turn now. Please beg them for me to give me good showtime. I don't know what this will cause, but whatever this will cause, I don't know. I don't really care. I'm sorry. If I'm angry, I mix my words together. You understand? Why do that to me? On salary period where people will come out to make money to sell their movies, and they are doing this to my movie. I also spent a lot of money on this movie. I've heard about this from so many people, that they do this to people when you're in cinema. I didn't know they were going to do it to me. Kilode, I've been pleading and begging and praying and begging that you people to at least consider me, give me good showtime this period, so I can at least make my own money. But because you are saying some movie came out, even managers in cinemas were so unfair to my actors, so unfair to me. I'll have to plead and plead and plead before they can give me a showtime. Now you are giving me just one showtime. In Ileya, you now cross your leg and tell me that the movie did not move, they didn't watch. My fans came out to watch my movie. When they even get to the cinema, they come out to watch my movie to ask that's what they want to watch. But because you give me nonsense, stupid, unfair showtime, they would have to go back. And when they get there, they will say they're showing by 9.
ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣé ẹ ti rí i pé pure wickedness ni àwọn owners cinemas tí wọ́n ń ṣe báyìí? ẹ ti rí i pé pure wickedness pátápátá gbáà ò ní wọ́n ń ṣe pátápátá. ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ tí ó yẹ kí a sọ lẹ́nu, ṣùgbọ́n àsìkò gbà wá nítòótọ́, kì í ṣe pé à ń parọ́, àsìkò gbà wá. báwo ni wọ́n ṣe máa lọ sí cinema wípé àwọn fẹ́ wo Fúnróyèdè Unicorn kí tí wọ́n máa sọ wípé kò sí àyè, kò sí showtime fún? ṣé ó make sense báyẹn nígbà tí èèyàn ti náwó ribiribi, tí ó ti náwó gidi gan láti fi ṣe fíìmù, tí ó dẹ̀ yẹ kí ó máa kéde rẹ̀, tí àwọn investors ẹ ṣàgbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán náà wípé àwọn investors, àwọn èèyàn lóríṣiríṣi ló ti invest sórí fíìmù ọ̀hún. báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ rírì? ẹ̀yin tèmi, mo fi òpin ní arábìnrin FATHIA Balógun, mo fi òpin rẹ̀ gidi gan. kí lẹ lérò? ẹ̀yin tèmi, nǹkan tí ẹ bá lérò ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nínú comment section. ẹ gbìyànjú láti tẹ gbogbo èròǹgbà yín, gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ bá lérò ẹ tẹ̀ sínú comment section. àti wípé kí a tó máa lọ, ẹ mọ̀ wípé mo ti sọ fún yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan wípé arábìnrin Tóyìn Abraham ó náà ti experience nǹkan báyìí rí, ó náà ti complain nípa nǹkan báyìí rí, tí àwọn fans rẹ̀ yóò lọ sí cinema láti lọ wo fíìmù rẹ̀. mi ò rántí fíìmù náà mọ́, òun náà complain, wọ́n lọ síbẹ̀ láti lọ wo fíìmù rẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò ní show rẹ̀. wọ́n lè sọ pé ó ti wà sold out, tàbí kán sọ wípé wọn ò show rẹ̀, wọn ò ní show time fún un. báwo náà ṣe máa fi show time sí 12 AM ní òru? ta ló fẹ́ wá wò ó? báwo náà ṣe máa fi show time sí 9 PM ní alẹ́? ta ló fẹ́ wá wò ó? ẹ ti rí wípé pure wickedness ni. ẹ̀yin tèmi, kí lè ròǹgbà yín? ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nínú comment section. a kò ní rí jù báyìí lọ. ó di ọjọ́ mi, ọjọ́ rí, ó dìgbà.